honest. Like, I've been to Ireland. I've been to England, Scotland, Wales, Northern Ireland. I've never been to France. I've been to Germany, but only on a layover in the airport in Munich. I've been to Finland, Spain, the Netherlands. I've been to the Netherlands twice, and that's it. Somehow, that's it. I've not been anywhere else, and it just kind of happened that way, you know. And there's a lot of other places I want to go. Finland was great. I really want to go back to Finland. I really want to go back to the Netherlands because it's just a really nice time. Like, as a tourist, it's a lovely place to go. It's very accessible. It's not too expensive, and food is great, and there's lots to do. So, Cake, I forgot to tell you, I finished XC3. I rated at 10 melancholy stares in the distance while smiling out of 10. I cried, laughed, and cried more than beauty. XCOM 3? Is there an XCOM 3 these days? Am I losing track of games that quickly? Huh. Oh, Xenoblade Chronicles. Like, is there a third XCOM? I mean, there might be as well. Kova, thank you for 29 months. I thank you very much. How are you doing? I hope you're having a good one. And Lee Talks, is that how I say your name? Hello and welcome in. How are you keeping? All right. It's time to chop onion. I'm gonna do it. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. I'm petrified. I hate chopping onions so much. It's like one of my least favorite things in the world. But this is the fastest way to do it, so this is the way I'm doing it. We'll get this out of the way. We just gotta go. We gotta be brave. We gotta be brave. I'm really awkward at cutting onions as well because I just feel like they go everywhere when I try and cut them. So there's gonna be people going, "You're cutting the onion wrong!" Oh, goodness. But I don't mind. As long as it gets cut and put into the food, then that'll do. Didn't you try some sort of trick the last time you did this? Yes, I do have a little bit of the wet kitchen paper here, and it worked so well. It's worked every time I've tried it. It's brilliant. Film Raccoon, hello, how are you doing? Come in, you're too kind. Yeah, too kind. I'd say my oh no, food processor! Oh, are you serial? I was worried there for a minute. You don't want to be using the food processor, you especially don't want to be using the food processor on Twitch. You don't want that.
I sacrificed $100 to summon Remy, Rat Chef.
Thank you so much for the bits. I mean, if you can manage it, good trick. Oh, we do need a slap chop. We need a slap chop in here. That would be just the business, I'll tell you something. All right, I think that'll do. Okay, full concentrate. This is from concentrate, because I am concentrating. That's how it works, right? That was pretty good. That was okay. That was all right. You know what? Cooking show like yours deserves my sub. I'm Italian and big up for focaccia. Hey, we love focaccia. I will put focaccia with anything. Like, it's just such a lovely food, and it takes a while, but it's good. It's not too difficult to make, thank goodness. Okay, just gonna do a little one of these. I have to do 2 of these onions, so I don't want to get too ahead of myself here. I actually should have put more scores in that, but sure, look, we're here now. I have to give this my full attention because I don't want to lose my hands. This is my lifeline. This little wet piece of thingy bob. This is my lifeline. This is what's keeping me going right now. Oh no. There's a bit of a hard bit in this onion. Well, out you go. Doesn't Gordon Ramsay always say something about chopping onions? Like, you can't chop an onion, you're a crap chef. Well, you see, I am a crap chef. But I manage somehow. Like, I'm not a professional and I've never claimed to be. I've had no formal training in cooking. We're just having a nice old time here. I need to walk away because the thing isn't working. My eyes are on fire. I don't know why it's not working. Let me get another bit. Maybe these are just super spicy onions today. Oh, my eyeballs. I'm putting more.